Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 11 here. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change the brightness of in the Windows 11 PC or laptop here. So there's lots of way to change the brightness here, but I'm going to show you the simplest way of change the brightness in your Windows 11 here. So in the right corner here, as you can see, there is a battery icon and sound icon here. So just click on it. And as you can see, there's a brightness option here with the sun icon. This is the brightness option. So if we just click on this option here, this is how you can change the brightness of your Windows 11 here. Also, you will have keyboard option here with the function icon. You will have the same keyboard option with the same icon, the sun icon here. So if you found this, you can also change the brightness in the Windows 11 here. And another way you can change the brightness, if you go to the settings option here with the gear icon, click on it. Then if you go to the display here you will see brightness here. So adjust the brightness of the built-in display here. So you can change the brightness from here also. So that's it guys. This is how you can change the brightness in the Windows 11. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.